Cat or dog?
Cat.
Dog. I want the dugay. TV series or movie? Series. Ay, hindi. Ngayon, I'm into movies.
Ngayon, movies din.
Yeah. Lingling or Haru?
Haru! Sige, kay Lingling na lang ako. Kawawa naman siya.
Yeah. Sing or dance?
Sing. Sing ka?
Hindi, be. Dance ako. Mahal ka o mahal mo?
Mahal ko.
Mahal.
Skincare or makeup? Skincare.
Makeup.
Or makeup with skincare?
Mika or Jo? Ate
Um,
Jo.
Sige, Mika.
Ako o siya?
Mia or Dirot? Mia. Dirot to eh.
Doirut!
Dirot ba o Dirot?
I think depende sa preference.
Oo. Diba? Different school, different pronunciation.
Colette or Jo? Ate Colette.
Colette. Pinagkaisahan.
Ay, hindi. Ate Jo.
I'll say the same. COD or ML? ML, di ba ako nag-cod kami before.
ML, par, warrior to.
Oo. Hindi ko sinasabi nga yung rank ko eh.
Why? It's so
Kasi
high
I don't
kaya.
want.
Kaya siya ang mythical glory.
Charot. Hindi. The mythical glory, yes. Pinakataas na
Ay,
siya.
shucks. Mythical glory
Ako
ang
na
makapagkal.
Ako na
Sorry.
ako na magde-decision kung magsi-season na ba. Huwag niyo yung season.
May season yun? Ano
Pag
season?
next day, mag-rank down ka. So, warrior ka, di ba? Magiging ano ka na,
Newbie?
hindi ba, isa ka na lang organism.
Isa normal person.
With a phone.
Yeah. I'm
Ano,
just Sheena. Anong rank mo? Sheena.
Sobrang baba. Next. Fan or aircon?
Aircon. PC or phone?
Phone. Color text. Call.
Call.
Sean or Maymay?
Sean is my older brother. Maymay is my younger sister.
Oh, really?
I prefer Maymay.
I prefer Sean kasi
Okay.
I like his aura.
Ew. Blooms or Beanie?
Beanie.
Beanie. Blooms.
Coffee or tea?
Tea. Tea.
You love tea?
I love tea.
Coke or water?
Coke.
Coke. Matcha or coffee? Matcha.
Coffee.
Buy food or cook? Cook.
Bye.
I love to cook.
Day or night? Day and night. Hold up.
Sunrise or sunset? Sunrise.
Sunset. Game? Ay, karne? Ha?
Ano daw? Yung iba naman blooms.
City or province? City.
City. Yung province, depende lang.
K-pop or P-pop?
P-pop.
P.
Siyempre.
Beach or mountains? Beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
Japan or Korea?
Korea.
Japan. I get it.
Driver, passenger, princess.
Turuan ako mag-curve. Hindi
Sa ipis mo, magkakakuliti ka. Sorry guys, may trauma na kasi sa kuliti. Lagi dito. For the third time in my whole life.
Ay, isang beses ako nagkakuliti ever in my life.
Totoo?
Oo.
Ako, I think I've done it 20 times. Ewan ko lang yung kakakuliti. Pag gising ko, pag namumula, I know it. Tanggap ko na yung fate ko. Text or Jolens? Ha?
Text na lang.
Text.
Or Jones. Text na lang.
Colin.
Para
Jolene,
maka,
ba't Jolene?
holding hands ko si crush. Alam mo yun po yung ganun.
Yoyo.
Yoyo na lang.
Yoyo. Sandali
Kasi
yun eh.
mamamatay ka sa trumpo pag nasaksakan.
Totoo pa
na.
tayo yun eh. English or Tagalog?
English, of
English.
course.
Ba't may alok? Bite me or fever? Akala ko nag-joke siya.
Bite me or bite you.
I think bite you. Let me bite you. Crew neck or hoodie? Parang dancer.
Ano?
Crew neck.
Anong crew neck?
Like crew neck. Crew neck.
Cropek? Ano? Sige, ano
Ano
na
yun?
lang yung isa na lang.
Yung walang hood
Hood
na
na
jacket. Dapat hoodless na lang.
Hoodie. Sweater. Sweater.
Ayun.
Hoodless ang hoodless.
Hoodie or hoodless? Hoodie.
Or hoodable.
Cropek or chicharon? Ano yung cropek?
Parang ano lang din. Ganun.
Hindi ko chicharon. Mas alam ko.
Salad or graham.
Huh?
Graham.
Yeah, Graham. No? But you... Face-to-face or online class?
Face to face.
Online class.
Face to face.
Online class.
Mango or strawberry.
Mango. Cornic or balot?
Cornic. I don't
Balot!
like balot.
I love balot.
I don't eat balot.
Only the yellow one. I don't like the sisig. Twitter or Kumu?
Kumu.
Kumu.
Enhypen o Video.io.
Enhypen. I don't care about Video.io.
Sige, Video.io na lang ako. Kawawa naman yung Video.io.
Wait. Anyways.
Akala ko ang kinabahan na.
Spag or carbonara?
Carbonara. I'm a carbonara girl.
Balut or jo? Balut.
Jo. I don't like balut.
Love. Love? You.
Ito naman, would you rather?
Ay, shucks.
Yan.
Would you rather be,
would you rather be an ipis or a lamok?
ipis para ako mananakot?
Ang hirap mag-type. Bilisan mo mag-type.
Would you rather, come on. Mary.
Sorry.
Kiss or hug? Hug.
Hug.
Would you rather to live
To an island or a city?
city?
Sige, city.
Oo.
Zombie or ghost?
Napapili naman tayo this or that yun eh. Would you rather be a zombie or ghost? I want to be a zombie. I can eat you.
Sige, zombie na lang din.
Zombie na lang. Ako naman
Ano
yung
ko yung...
mga
Ay, hindi. That's bad. Buti inisip ko yun.
Singkit or... Ay, huwag yun. Be a vampire or werewolf?
Vampire.
Werewolf. I love dogs. Would you rather have more time or more money?
More
time.
More time. Pink hair or natural? Colored hair or natural? Colored hair. Gusto ko may color.
Would you rather sleep or eat?
Eat.
Sleep.
Okay ba talaga?
Init or lamig? Tubig o langis? Parang
Init o lamig?
Lamig.
Init. Sleep late or wake up early? Wake up early.
Anong prefer ko?
Mm-mm.
Sleep late.
Thank you, Zuyufiel.
Thank you, Zuyufiel.
Mabuhay ka.